Hi friend, this is Dr. Forrest McDowell with Cortesia Herbal Products, and I wanted to show you how I use Sephora products to help support my hands. My hands are very important to me because they help do all the land work on our 22 acres here at Cortesia Sanctuary, including the gardens, but I'm also a dedicated musician, and so I know what hand strain is all about. What I like to show you is that I take our joint bone and tissue support tincture, and that works at the systemic level, moves into the bloodstream. So you pop it, drops in your mouth, hold it for a few moments, and then swallow it, and it immediately starts moving through the bloodstream, going to those areas that need a little help and support. But for targeted relief, and especially at the dermal level, what we call the topical, it is very important to consider how we can penetrate those dermal layers to provide relief to our joints and those connective tissues. Something I use all the time is our quick relief spray, which is like a formulated liquid salve. You could think of it that way. And it's really simple to do. You just spill it on a few swishes and rub it in well. This particular salve, liquid salve, our quick release spray, goes on cool and then it warms up gradually. And this is what you really want to know about these liquid salves. So there you go. I tend to have issues right in the thumb, as a lot of people do. The next and very important thing is, while we have opened those pores up with that liquid salve, we take a little bit of our Cortesia deep penetrating salve. Now this salve is really formulated with a number of herbs to go deep, and you don't want to put a whole lot on and make it greasy. So I'm just took a little dollop and I put it on here, and you just rub that in really well. And you know, when I'm rubbing in, what are you going to do? Think positive thoughts. Think about healing energy. Put a white light over your hand. Know that your discomfort is relieved. You can believe in that. It's not magic. It's your belief, your will, your hope. It's your body. That's what I always love to tell people. There we go. Yeah, and you start feeling some flexibility. Yeah. And if you have a warm heating pad, you could place that over it, and it was really supportive. So that's what I do with my hand support with our 3 different types of products: our joint, bone, and tissue support, which is quite well known worldwide as formula number 6, all in one. And then we have our quick relief spray, which is like a liquid salve formulated with Solomon seal and a number of other herbs. And of course, our deep penetrating salve. Well, blessings to you on your journeys, my friend.